Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 3, and today I'll show you how to record the device. So, in the settings or notification panel, you will find the toggle to record your screen right here, screen recorder. Now, the position of this toggle might vary a little bit, so it won't necessarily be in the exact position, so just look for it somewhere on here or on the other page. And before you toggle it on and start recording, you might want to actually hold the toggle to go into the settings where you can customize a little bit, a couple options. Number one, record my microphone sounds. If you're planning to do some, gameplays as an example for YouTube with your voiceovers, you might want to enable this. Then when you have video resolution, let's go to something higher than 720p. We're not living in 2015 anymore. So there we go, 1080p, advise on that. Then display overlay of generated video, not really sure what that will do. Oh, okay, so it's just a lock. You can, when you flip over the display for landscape or portrait, depending how you hold the phone, you can lock it to a specific position so it doesn't flip based on how you're holding the device or what the device considers to be landscape or portrait at the moment. So set it up to whatever you will need. Then at the bottom lower you have front camera. So if you enable this, you will basically have a small camera it will turn on this camera and it will pop up a little circle, I assume, with your face. So again, to add to that kind of commentary experience of gaming. And then once you're all set, you also have the record screen taps. Now this is completely optional, really. If you're planning to do gameplay stuff like that, I would disable this because it will create little circles on the recording where your fingers are pressing. So if you're using, for instance, 3 fingers at once, it will show all 3 of those circles, and then when they're moving, it's going to be kind of weird. But if you're trying to do a guide on something like that for someone, probably screen taps where you're tapping an option would be more beneficial. So from there, once it's all set, you can just close that, go back to the notification panel, tap on it. Let's just allow that, and allow, and allow, and allow, and allow, and agree. I basically sold off my soul here. And now tap on recording. Can you not show me all the options? There we go. So let's start recording. And there we go, you can see me. And you have also the timer right here. You can pause it if you want to, so this will pause. It's stuck at 6. It still retains all these options right here, so you can move it around. And when you resume, I wanted to resume. My bad. Let's try that again. Again, let's agree. Start recording. So again, we're recording now. I'm gonna pause it. For instance, move this. You can do some other stuff. Go to a second page, then tap on the play to resume recording. Now let's pause it again. Stop it. So it's a quick 5-second preview, I guess, of what I was doing. And now we can go to our gallery right here. I will mute the sound so I don't hear myself. Hearing myself always gives me, puts me off. I don't know if you ever listen to yourself, but it's kind of weird. So let's go to albums and find, where is it? Camera? No. Where did that save? Oh, there it is. So we have, I think it's this one. So let's see that. Not much, there we go. So you can see me kind of talk, and the moment there was this jump, that's basically because I paused, moved the camera or my little image here, and also moved the page just so we have a little bit of a drastic difference. So pause and resume. Now there is nothing really happening when you pause. Whatever you will do is not being recorded, and the moment you tap to resume, it immediately goes back to it. And the overlay that we used to have right here for the controls is not being ever recorded, so you don't have to worry about that and where it is. So that is how you use the screen recording. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.